In this video, I'm going to show you how I made homemade moringa seed oil. I'll be using heat to extract the oil. We will start off by removing the shells. The shell is very hard, so I did use a knife to cut it a little bit, just so that I can push the seed out without damaging it. And I continue the same process with the rest of the shells. Many not know this, but moringa seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are a good source of vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, as well as iron. So here are the deshelled seeds. I did pick out the ones that were not the best looking because they look pretty moldy. Now this part is completely optional. You do not have to pre-roast the seeds. Now I'm going to add it into a grinder, make it into a fine powder, then add it to the saucepan. Then we're going to pour some water inside of it. Allow this to simmer for 20 to 30 minutes on low heat. Do not boil because the water will evaporate too quickly. Soon you will notice the oil. Then soon after, I am going to filter the oil. Moringa seeds contain essential amino acids and are rich in antioxidants. Moringa seeds are said to contain 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 10 times more vitamin A than carrots, 17 times more calcium than milk, 9 times more protein than yogurt, 15 times more potassium than bananas, and 25 times more iron than spinach. Moringa seed oil has a beautiful orange golden color. This oil is rich in minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which is excellent for our skin and hair. If you found this video to be useful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!